Hi, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about making that decision to be happy. I'm also going to talk to you about allowing negative emotions. Now, that might sound contradictory to this course, but this is where I'm going to start. When you don't allow negative emotions, they become blocks in your life. So there are certain times in your life when negative emotions are going to be a natural part of your life. They're normal. If somebody you love dies, you're going to be sad. If somebody does something really horrible to you, you're probably going to be angry for a little while. Maybe you get frustrated. Just recently, I've had some technical issues with my business. I had a problem with my website. I'm not a particularly techie person, and I spent hours and hours and hours of my time trying to fix this problem, and it caused me to feel really, really frustrated, and that's normal. Now, the thing is, particularly with feelings like sadness, anger, when you block them, when you try to pretend that they're not real, they're not happening, and ignore them, they don't go away. They stay hidden in your subconscious mind, and that feeling stays inside your body. So it's really important to just let it go. You need to just allow the negative emotion for a short period, for enough time to move it from negative to positive by releasing it. Later on in this course, I'm going to show you a technique called EFT, Emotional Freedom Techniques. I'm not going to get into that now, but that will help you to release negative emotions in a positive way. So we'll deal with that later on in the course. But for now, I just wanted to let you know that it's okay to experience these negative emotions. Just be aware of them and don't let them eat away at you. Don't stay in that negative place for any longer than you need to. Okay? So, on to making a decision to be happy. Most people never ever do this. We make decisions about what car we want to buy, what job we want, what business we want to start, what clothes we want to wear, all of those sorts of things. But we very rarely make that decision to be happy. So I want you to change that right now. You're already way ahead of so many people just by buying this course and working through the videos, because you're already letting the universe know, I want to be happy. So here's what I want you to do. I want you literally to repeat after me. I decide to be happy. Did you say it? Good. Okay, so we have a saying in our house, choose your attitude. So if you're being grumpy and miserable and everything, you're sending out really negative vibrations into the universe. You are a match for negative things coming to you, okay? And negative people coming back to you. If you spot yourself in a negative pattern where you're feeling grumpy and everything, and there's no real reason, then just stop yourself and just say to yourself, I'm making a decision right here, right now. I'm going to choose happiness. I am going to be happy. Okay? So be a deliberate creator of your own life. Choose happiness. There is that little clause. As I said at the beginning of this video, all emotions are natural, negative and positive. Stay in the positive as much time as you possibly can. On the occasions where you do find yourself in the negative emotions, if there's a genuine reason for it, allow it for as long as you need to release it in a positive way. And move yourself back to positive as quickly as you can without blocking that negativity. You want to be looking at releasing the negativity rather than blocking it or suppressing it. Okay, so choose happiness for yourself right here, right now, and let's move forward for the next video where we're going to get into affirmations and positive thinking and lots of different ideas for you to increase your happiness in this way. See you in the next video. Bye.